Want to collaborate on videos without losing control? In this overview, you'll learn how VideoGen teams help you work together, manage access, and stay organized. Before we start, you can visit videogen.io to follow along the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find a link in the description. So what is a team? A team is your shared workspace in VideoGen. It brings people, projects, and permissions into one place. This is where collaboration happens. Instead of working alone, you work together in a structured environment. How do teams work? Each team includes members with defined roles. These roles control what each person can do. Admins manage the team. They invite members, assign roles, and control billing. Members create and edit projects within the workspace. This keeps access clear and consistent. What about personal work? Every user has a personal workspace. This is your private environment. Projects stay private unless you share them. When you move to a team, your work becomes collaborative. How do you collaborate on projects? Choose a project and click Share. Then invite your team members. Everyone works on the same version. No duplicates, no confusion. What if you are in multiple teams? Use the team selector to switch between them. Your workspace updates instantly. Want to collaborate more efficiently? Create a team and invite your members. Share your projects and manage access as your team grows. Thanks for watching. Try it yourself by creating a team and inviting your members. Sign up and explore more tutorials on our YouTube channel or in the help docs.